Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. Have you ever wondered who keeps massive ocean-going cargo vessels and tankers running smoothly across thousands of miles of rough open sea? While the captain controls the navigation and the chief engineer oversees the engine room on board, there is a master operational coordinator working behind the scenes on land to ensure the entire fleet remains seaworthy, safe, and fully compliant. That key professional is the superintendent engineer. A superintendent engineer is the vital bridge between a ship operating crew at sea and the shore-based technical management team. Acting as a high-level technical authority, they oversee the maintenance, repairs, inspections, and overall physical condition of multiple vessels within a shipping company fleet. Their ultimate mission is to keep ships running efficiently without unexpected breakdowns, costly delays, or safety hazards. To step into this prestigious role, one typically starts as a marine engineering cadet, sails for years through the ranks to become a chief engineer or second engineer, and then transitions to a shore-based career. They bring invaluable real-world experience from long months at sea, knowing every pipe valve, diesel engine generator, and auxiliary system inside out. Daily responsibilities for a superintendent engineer are dynamic and high stakes. They monitor vessel performance data remotely, track fuel consumption, schedule, routine maintenance, dry docking overhauls, and ensure every vessel complies with strict international maritime safety regulations set by the International Maritime Organization and classification societies. When a critical machinery failure occurs anywhere in the world, the superintendent engineer leads the emergency troubleshooting efforts, dispatching spare parts technical specialists and field engineers to the nearest port. Planning and managing dry docking operations is one of their most crucial duties. Every few years, a ship must be removed from the water for extensive hull cleaning, steel repairs, paint renewal, and main engine overhauls. The superintendent engineer manages multi-million budget allocations, negotiates with shipyard managers, monitors quality control, and ensures the vessel returns to active service as quickly as possible. Beyond mechanical expertise, a successful superintendent engineer must possess strong leadership skills, financial acumen, crisis management capabilities, and sharp problem-solving instincts. They manage huge maintenance budgets, communicate constantly with shipmasters, and navigate complex maritime laws. In an evolving industry shifting toward green shipping, decarbonization, and autonomous technologies, superintendent engineers are leading the charge by integrating cleaner fuels, energy-efficient hardware, and advanced digital monitoring platforms. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.